Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how good Wealthfront is for beginners in 2026 and whether it's the right platform to start your investing journey. We'll go through its features, ease of use, pros, cons, and help you decide if it's beginner friendly or not. First, let's understand what Wealthfront actually does. It's a robo-advisor platform that helps you automatically invest your money in diversified portfolios without needing deep financial knowledge. This makes it especially attractive for people who are just starting out. Why it's good for beginners. There are a few key reasons why Wealthfront is considered beginner-friendly. It offers fully automated investing, so you don't need to pick stocks yourself. It builds a diversified ETF portfolio based on your goals and risk level. It handles everything like rebalancing and tax optimization automatically. The app is simple and easy to use. In fact, many experts consider it one of the best robo-advisors for beginners because of its automation and low fees. Low fees and easy start. Another reason beginners like Wealthfront is its pricing. Around 0.25% management fee, no trading commissions, minimum investment of $500. This low entry point makes it easier for new investors to get started. Learning and planning tools. Wealthfront also provides helpful tools like financial planning features, goal tracking, retirement planning, a big picture view of your finances, automated suggestions based on your goals. These tools make it easier for beginners to understand and manage their money. Real user experience, what people say. From user experiences online, many beginners like it because it's simple and hands-off. It's easy to use, good if you don't want to manage it yourself. Some long-term users also say it's great for keeping things simple and focused on long-term investing. However, it's not perfect for everyone. No access to human financial advisors. Limited control over investments. Requires at least $500 to start. Not ideal if you want to actively trade. These limitations can matter if you want more guidance or control. A user of Wealthfront shared a balanced experience, saying it works well overall with a clean, easy-to-use app and useful features like account tracking and a strong cash account interest rate. They also liked the free robo-investing for smaller balances. However, they mentioned some downsides like occasional issues linking banks, hiccups with transfers, and no physical checks. Overall, it's a solid option for everyday use, especially if you want a simple, hands-off financial setup. Final verdict. Is it good for beginners? So, is Wealthfront good for beginners in 2026? Yes, it's one of the best options if you want a simple, automated, and stress-free way to start investing. But it may not be ideal if you want personal advice or full control over your investments. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.